When explaining having in SQL during a data scientist interview, the key is to first emphasize its importance in filtering aggregated data, since this is critical in real-world analytics where we don't just aggregate, but also need to apply conditions on groups. Importance of having in SQL. While where is used to filter rows before grouping, it cannot be used with aggregate functions, like sum, avg, count. Once we perform a group by, we often want to filter groups based on these aggregated results. For example, finding regions with sales above a certain threshold, or customers with more than 5 purchases. This is where having becomes essential. For a data scientist, it enables cohort analysis, filtering user groups that meet a certain activity level, market segmentation, identifying customer clusters with revenue or purchase frequency above a benchmark, business KPIs, reporting only the entities, regions, stores, products that exceed performance targets. Anomaly detection, spotting groups with unusually high or low aggregate metrics, feature engineering, selecting subsets of aggregated data for training predictive models.
Why having matters in data science post-aggregation filtering allows applying conditions like sum sales, 100,000, improved insights, focuses only on meaningful groups rather than clutter from all categories, works with group by, extends SQL's ability to summarize and refine datasets. Efficiency in pipelines helps extract clean, ready-to-use aggregates for further modeling or visualization. Supports business decisions, helps analysts narrow down results to only high-performing or underperforming segments.
Example use case. Suppose you have a sales table with columns, region, product, revenue. If management wants to see regions where total revenue exceeded $1,000, the query would be, select region, sum revenue, as total revenue from sales group by region having sum revenue, $1,000. Here, group by region creates one row per region. Having ensures only those regions with total revenue, 1M, are displayed.
Key points to remember. Where filters rows before grouping, having filters groups after aggregation. Can use aggregate functions, sum, count, avg, etc. directly, typically paired with group by, but can also be used without it on whole dataset aggregates.
Syntax of having in SQL select column 1, aggregate on function column 2, from table name where condition group by column 1, having aggregate on function column 2 condition.